Oh, okay. Good morning. I have about 15 minutes before a work call, and I'm gonna make me and Tyler some smoothies. So I'm gonna show you guys a recipe of the smoothies that I've been making lately. I'm gonna cut up some strawberries. These are like huge, definitely like genetically modified. So there's no way strawberries are this big.
It's called polyploidy.
Polyploidy? Mm-hmm. Is that what it's called?
Yeah, they increase the amounts of chromosomes in the strawberries to make them bigger.
Oh, poor strawberry. Some of these are like humongous. Like, what?
Oh, sorry. Polyploidy.
Polyploidy. Get it right. Alright, so about that much strawberries. Kind of a lot, but I think this is going to be my breakfast for today, so kind of want it to be a little bit filling. I am also going to put in some fresh blueberries. Just going to wash these, put in about like, I don't know, that much. These like really have an effect on the color, and I don't want it to be like too purpley, so I don't want to put too much. I'm going to put some frozen berries as well. And here is like raspberry, blueberry, blackberries, all the berries. Do the ones that I don't already have in here, like the black and raz. Black and raz. Next, I'm gonna do about half a banana. Okay, about half. Actually, I think I'm gonna do the full, so I don't have to add sugar. So we'll do a full banana in there. We want to add some ice, just so it's a little bit cold. Gonna add some chia seeds. I love adding chia seeds to smoothies. They have lots of good stuff in them. Just do about that much. And lastly, our last bit of almond milk. I'm gonna just add it to here because this will probably eat up a lot of it. Hopefully there's enough. Kind of have to like press down with this Ninja because there's a lot of stuff in here. There we are. Okay, shake her up. A couple more ice cubes so it's a little bit more thick. Yum! I like to be a little bit fancy with it and pour them in wine glasses. I have some tall. How much do you want?
A lot.
Oh, how much money you got? A lot. How much money you got? A lot. Here we are. Cheers!
Cheers.
I woke up with like a sniffly nose.
Yeah, I saw your shirt in your face. I rolled up and just
Yeah.
And I turned over like, oh, she's thirsty.
And then you tried to cuddle me, and then I went, achoo!
Yeah.
And you were like, okay, okay. I could tell. I was like, oh.
Yeah, you sneezed in my face. I remember that. Oh, baby.
I turned. I didn't sneeze in your face.
No, but you sneezed. I was like, whoa.
You were like, oh! Kind of times over. I could tell by the exact way you moved and the timing. You were like, okay.
I wasn't sure if you were still asleep or not. Do you sneeze in your sleep?
No, I was like kind of awake because I woke up because I was sniffly.
I wonder if you can sneeze in your sleep and stay asleep.
I don't think
You
so.
think so?
I don't think so.
Let's see.
I'm gonna Google it.
Can you sneeze in your sleep? Oh yeah, you can't sneeze during your sleep.
You can?
Oh, Jesus. I knew you were going to do something stupid. I thought you were going to just poke me in the butt, but no. Shit, that's kind of scary when you have that. I feel like, oh, shit.
Stop it! Alright, I'm hungry. Give me that. Okay, so Tyler and I are gonna work out in his garage. He bought a mat and some bands. I know everyone is quarantining and can't go to the gym, so we made a little at-home gym. And an extra heavy, depending on what you need, extra light, and then heavy. So I will link these down below if you guys want some booty bands to work out. We're trying to figure out the music situation. So I think I am going to go get my laptop and bring it down. We have been sleeping at his house for the past 2 days because he just like, we always spend a bunch of time at my house, which, I mean, as a girl, we like to be in our own house because there's so many products that we need to bring. It's like, it's so much work for me to sleep over here because I have to like schlep all my products. But I decided I didn't want to be selfish and make him stay at my house all the time. So we've been sleeping over here for the past 2 days, and today we woke up and we're gonna do a little workout. So I brought my laptop down so we can listen to music. Do you want to listen to my workout playlist?
Booty sweat workout.
Shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on
You can do a push-up with me on him.
Not yet.
no, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
Oh my god. We're done. I feel like we've only worked out for like 10 minutes, but I can't do it anymore. Okay, just got out of the shower. Tyler made me a little salad, so he left it in the fridge, so I'm gonna grab that. Yummy. Made me a salad. I didn't want like anything heavy, so he just made me some greens, crouton, tomatoes. I'm not sure what's in there, but I'm about to eat that. I don't know what we're gonna do. We'll probably check emails and work a little bit longer. I'll show you guys my outfit really quickly. Kind of simple and sporty. I'm just wearing this, it's like a white windbreaker zip up. It's like cropped. I tucked it in to my sports bra, and I got it from, where did I get it from? TJ Maxx about a couple months ago. I will try and link something similar. And then I'm just wearing these biker shorts. I need to put some lotion on, but I wanted something easy and like flowy that I could just, you know, do this if I needed to. And then my Supergas, as always. I always wear these. I actually brought my Nikes to wear today, but we're going like in and out of the house, so I don't really want to wear sneakers. So many things to carry. I'm gonna go eat, and then we will probably go over to my house in a little bit. I'm not sure when, but we're gonna go over to my house Friday. So we want to have some fun today. I don't know what we're gonna do for the rest of the night. Maybe watch Downton Abbey, make some drinks. I don't know. We'll see where the day takes us.
LA on a Saturday night in the summer, sundown and they all come out. Lamborghinis and the rented Hummers. The party's on, so the heads down.
Lemons from this house. We need some lemons for our drinks tonight. Ah! Oh my god, don't get caught. Yeah. They're all lumpy. I have so many lemons. I want a lemon tree in my future house. At least we got some. Thank you, neighbors. Okay, we are back at my house now. I'm going to be making a little cocktail since it's Friday night. Why not? Oof, these mint leaves are dead. I'm making this now because these leaves are about dead. I'm gonna be making a gin julep. I made this the other day in a vlog. I will link it if you guys want to see the exact recipe and what I did. I'm just kind of, Tyler loves this word, improvising. I'm just improvising at this point because a lot of these leaves are kind of dead. So I'm just having about that much. Some syrup in here. Little. I'm not gonna crush today. Normally I would do crushed ice, but I don't have time for that. We do 2 of this. Or lime, actually, not lemon. Normally I would do a fresh can, but I have this leftover club soda, so I'm just gonna use this. No harm, no foul. Alright, Tyler is not drinking. He's being sober. He's being a sober sis tonight. But do you want to watch Ozark first? Or Westworld? I'm thinking Westworld. Or Downton Abbey.
I'm thinking Westworld.
I'm thinking Westworld too. Okay, we're gonna watch Westworld, then Ozark. We have so many shows to watch, so we're just gonna have a chill night watching shows. And probably playing some video games. Not video games. I mean board games.
Connect 4.
That's a board game.
Yeah, but Connect 4 specifically.
Connect 4. He's going to lose. I beat you in Connect 4 every single time we've played.
I don't think so.
Yes.
I'm pretty sure I beat you.
No, you didn't.
I don't know how many times
It's
played
okay.
Connect 4,
It's okay, baby. It's okay. I still love you.
Yeah, sure.
We can't all be winners.
Yeah.
I'ma say that I've been up right